Hello and namaste my dear crafty friends. Welcome to my channel DIY with Zini. Sorry for my voice as I'm having cold and fever today. If you are new to this channel, then check out these Avengers themed DIYs that I shared earlier on this channel. Links for those are provided in the description box down below. Now today I'm sharing baby Groot squishy, so let's get started. First, you will need a piece of memory foam or kitchen sponge. Now draw a template for baby Groot and trace that with the help of a pen. Now cut it out with the help of scissors. And make sure to cut small chunks at a time. Now once you are happy with the shape, then it's time to color our squishy. First, take a generous amount of white fabric paint. Then add a little amount of brown and yellow fabric paint. Then mix it well with a popsicle stick to form a perfect beige color for our baby Groot. Now color your squishy with the help of a paintbrush. Paint sides and back as well, then let it dry completely. Now add a little hint of green color to resemble baby Groot from the movie. You can also attach a little leaf. I think that will also look very cute. Now add some Groot scale with brown fabric paint. Now mark the eyes with pen or a pencil. Now color it with the help of black fabric paint. Now I am drawing a big happy smile with black fabric paint. Next, add highlights in eyes with white fabric paint and let it dry completely. And our cute baby Groot squishy is ready. I am going to use it as an Avenger theme home decor piece. I hope you liked this video. If you recreate it, then please share pictures with me on Instagram with #DIY with Zini. I would love to see them. Also, if you have any ideas or suggestions, then please let me know in the comment section down below. I will do my best to make that happen. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also click on the bell icon so that you can get notifications for my next video. For more inspiration, I handpicked these two videos for you. Have a magical day. Happy crafting!